warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, my name is Sinara Sunaila. I'm from Telecom Medical Vocational High School. So here I will tell you about preventing hypertension and stroke of the elderly. The number of stroke sufferers in Bogor City in 2020 was 2,054 cases, with the death rate ranking first place to non-communicable disease amounting to 164 people. There is a trend of increasing cases compared to 2019, around 1,026 cases, and 2018, around 823 cases. The most common age for stroke sufferers is over 45 years old. Hypertension is a condition in which a person's blood pressure is constantly high, which can cause damaged blood vessels and other body organs. Hypertension is a major risk factor for stroke, which a condition is which the blood supply to the brain is disrupted, usually caused by blockage or rupture of blood vessels in the brain. In the elderly, the risk of hypertension and stroke tends to be higher because the aging process can affect the elasticity of blood vessels and increase the risk of blood vessels blockage. Therefore, it is important for the elderly to keep their blood pressure under control and follow a healthy lifestyle to reduce the risk of hypertension and stroke. In the elderly, hypertension and stroke can have more serious effects because the body's ability to recover from this condition is usually slower. Uncontrolled hypertension can cause damage to other body organs such as heart, kidneys, and eyes. Meanwhile, stroke can cause motor disorder, speech disorders, memory loss, and even death. To prevent hypertension and stroke in the elderly, it is important to keep blood pressure under control by following a healthy, low-salt diet, exercising regularly, avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, and managing stress. Apart from that, it is also important to regularly check your blood pressure and health and follow your doctor's recommendation regarding necessary medication and treatment. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle and managing risk factors, the risk of hypertension and stroke in the elderly can be minimized. Explaining the causes of hypertension and stroke in the elderly in the city of Bogor, the cause of hypertension and stroke in the elderly in the city are not much different from the causes in the other places. Several risk factors that can cause hypertension and stroke in the elderly in the city include the unhealthy lifestyle such as consuming food high in salt and saturated fat, lack of physical activity, smoking habits, and excessive alcohol consumption. Besides that, genetic factors and family history of hypertension stroke can also increase the risk of developing this condition. In the other of these factors, environmental factors can also play a role in the increasing of the risk of hypertension and stroke in the elderly in Bogor City. Or air pollution, population density, limited access to health facilities, and unbalanced diet can be additional risk factors. For reducing the risk of hypertension and stroke in the elderly in Bogor City, it is important to adopt a healthy lifestyle, maintain an ideal body weight, exercise regularly, eat healthy food, and avoid risk factors such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. It is also important to carry out regular health checks and follow the doctor's recommendation regarding necessary medication and treatment. We as the younger generation must take care and be careful so that in our old age we are not exposed to the risk of stroke and hypertension. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this video will help the elderly around in our city. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.